Hello and welcome back to CoinCast Daily. I'm here with your midday, end-of-day crypto update. In this video, we'll break down what's happening in the crypto market right now, the key drivers to watch, and when we might see a significant move either upward or downward. As always, this is analysis and opinion, not financial advice. All right, let's dive in. Let's start with the current snapshot. Bitcoin, BTC, is trading around the BTC current. Ethereum, ETH, is at ETH current. The broader market is showing mixed signals. Some altcoins are slightly up, others holding flat. Recently, Citigroup adjusted its outlook, raising their year-end target for Ethereum while trimming its Bitcoin forecast. Reuters, meanwhile, ETF flows and institutional moves continue to influence sentiment. And macro factors like the dollar strength or rate expectations are playing a role. So the market is in a fragile balance, but with multiple levers that could tilt things quickly. Here are the key forces currently pushing or pulling the market. Institutional, ETF flows, and big money moves. Inflows into ETH, Bitcoin ETFs indicate that institutions are accumulating. If large amounts of BTC or ETH move onto exchanges, it suggests selling pressure. Macro, monetary policy, and dollar strength, US dollar strength or weakness, interest rate expectations, inflation prints, all of these affect crypto. For example, a stronger USD typically pressures crypto. Technical levels and market structure. BTC has struggled to break above resistance level in recent sessions. On the downside, support zones like support level are being tested. Also, there's an upcoming options expiry which might cause volatility. Cointelegraph sentiment and news events. News about regulation, taxes, or crackdowns could trigger fast moves. Social sentiment can act as a catalyst. Fear or excitement spreads fast. So when these forces align or conflict, that's when big moves happen. Now, when exactly might the market break out? And which way? Let's explore both sides. Bullish scenario. If Bitcoin can sustain a break above the key resistance, we could see a rally of 3 to 5% in the next few hours. Ethereum may follow, especially if capital rotates into altcoins. Support from strong inflows, favorable macro tone, weaker dollar, rate cuts would help this bearish scenario. If BTC falls below its key support zone, a downward correction of 4 to 7% is possible. That could trigger liquidations in leveraged positions. Altcoins would likely bleed harder in that event. What to watch timing-wise? Big moves often happen during US market hours, overlap, when US and Asia markets are open. Also around economic data releases, inflation, jobs, or central bank statements. And don't ignore options expiry cycles. They often cause volatility squeezes. So if you're watching, those windows are your high probability periods. Here are the precise levels to keep an eye on. BTC support levels. Support 1. Support 2. BTC resistance levels. Resistance 1. SARS resistance 2. ETH key levels. ETH support. ETH resistance. If price stays between these levels, the market may consolidate. But a clean break beyond them could trigger a significant move in that direction. To wrap up, the crypto market today is balancing between optimism and caution. We could see an upward push if sentiment remains strong, or a pullback if macro pressures or selling pressure intensifies. Let me know in the comments, do you think we'll see a breakout or breakdown today? If you found this update useful, hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market forecast. Thanks for watching CoinCast Daily. Stay alert, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.